Manipur Press Club today celebrated the 46th Foundation Day. Speaking at the event, Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit lauded the efforts of Manipur media persons for their relentless hard work during the pandemic. Stating the contribution of media, Biswajit stated that media is a mirror of a democratic country. Biswajit asserted that media is the fourth pillar of democracy after legislature, executive and judiciary. IRP Minister also added that media brings forward certain issues which the government cannot reach, thus providing information to the masses. India became the third country to record 1.5 lakh fatalities from the coronavirus disease today. In the latest update shared by the Union Home Ministry, the country recorded 264 fresh fatalities in the last 24 hours, which took the death toll to 1,50,114. According to Worldometers, the United States has the highest number of fatalities, 3,65,620, followed by Brazil with 1,97,777 deaths due to the disease. With 85 new COVID-19 cases recorded in Manipur in the last 24 hours, the caseload has reached 28,418. The deadly disease claimed 2 lives in the same period, pushing the death toll to 363. The cumulative number of active cases is 442, while the recovery cases are 27,613 after reconciliation with the data from IDSP, Home Isolation and Death Committee report yesterday. With 13 more people testing positive for the new UK variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes coronavirus disease, the total number of UK returnees having tested positive for the mutant virus in the country has reached 71, the centre has announced. According to media reports, the results are based on the genome sequencing of positive samples released by the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium, INSACOG labs, that the centre has specifically created for the purpose of monitoring any kind of mutations in the virus. Karnataka government has put 4 bordering districts on high alert after cases of bird flu were reported in Kerala. The Animal Husbandry Department has issued a general alert to all district collectors and put Dakshina Kannada, Mysuru, Madikeri and Udupi on high alert. In Kerala, around 1,700 ducks have died due to the flu. According to media reports, over 4 lakh poultry birds in Haryana have died at farms in Panchkula district in the past 10 days. Adding, a team from Jalandhar's Regional Disease Diagnosis Laboratory has collected samples. As the cold weather swept most of North India even this morning, heavy snowfall paralyzed Jammu and Kashmir, where 3 houses collapsed near Srinagar and several flights had to be cancelled. The Srinagar administration issued an advisory to the people in Kashmir, asking locals to only commute if it is extremely necessary. People have been advised to avoid using private vehicles as continuous snowfall has resulted in roadblocks across the city. Air traffic to and from Srinagar remains suspended for the 4th consecutive day today over poor visibility due to heavy snowfall hampering flight operations. This led to cancellation of over a dozen flights to Kashmir, a media report said. Troops of 31st Battalion Assam Rifles Gangwai under Churachandpur sector organized an interaction meet with Meira Paibis at Kumbi under Bishnupur district today. The program was conducted with an aim to sensitize the women's torchbearers about the prevailing security situation in the area and also to enhance the cooperation and synergy between the troops of Assam Rifles and the local populace for maintaining peace and tranquility in the region. The local residents, including the Meira Paibis present at the meet, expressed gratitude towards the Assam Rifles for undertaking such an initiative and also requested Assam Rifles to conduct such meet at regular interval to ensure peace and tranquility in the area. 5 asteroids are set to make a close approach to Earth today, according to the Central for Near-Earth Object Studies. While 3 of the asteroids are relatively small and pose little threat to the planet, even if they were headed straight for it, the other 2 are reportedly bigger than the Eiffel Tower. While size certainly matters when it comes to determining whether or not an asteroid poses an imminent threat, its speed can greatly alter the level of risk. So even as asteroid 2021 AJ is the smallest among those set to zoom by Earth today, it's still fast enough to obliterate an entire city if its trajectory changes. A team of Imphal East Commando yesterday, led by Officer in Charge K.H. Hanare, under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police, Imphal East Ronnie Mayingbam, while carrying out a drive at Kiamgai, detected 1,400 capsules of WY tablets, 60 numbers of N10 tablets, 286 numbers of SP tablets, and 39 bottles of codeine syrup from the possession of one Ketrimayum Madani alias Baby, son of Ketrimayum Jalid of Naharu Pangong Makong. The said person, along with the seized items, were handed over to IBG Police Station for further legal action.